Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about quotes from Mata Amritanandamayi, the Maharishi Yogi I've done already. So she was my guru. Love is the only medicine that can heal the wounds of the world. If you hear the Maharishi, my God, no love, nothing. Be like the honeybee who gathers only nectar wherever it goes. Seek the goodness that is found in everyone. So, in Thailand it is called you this honeybee that you go from girl to girl. Okay, this is not the meaning of it. Happiness depends on how you accept and understand and surrender to situation. That is, everything is in one sentence. Happiness depends on how you accept, understand and surrender to situations. You cannot say it in a better sentence. Love is our true essence. Love has no limitations of caste, religion, race or nationality. We are all beads strung together on the same thread of love. To awaken this unity and to spread to others the love that is our inherent nature is the true goal of human life. Fill your hearts with love and gratitude. At least with gratitude. Then the love will follow. Life gives us what we need and not necessarily what we want. And this we have to understand and to accept. Life gives us what we need and not necessarily what we want. You can't get what you want. No? So, it follows its own wisdom, which is often incomprehensible to our gross minds. We should learn to accept situations in life. This attitude of acceptance is a secret to happiness. We can surrender to the situation, we can accept the situation, or we can change the situation. But complaining is a no-brainer. Okay? You can protest officially against these dangerous politicians. This is okay, then you do something. But complain with other people sitting together and complain about this horrifying politicians that have to this time the power will not change anything. Then you have to accept it, finish. Happiness is within everyone, but we are not able to experience it because our ego likes and dislikes. In all ashrams, there's one attitude that we should do every job. And what we dislike with this job, we start sorting out the garbage and so on, cleaning the toilets. And we have done so. No? Very smelly stuff and so on. You don't care. No? It's just your ego. And if you can't do it, then the next job is that you don't like, you can't be happy. Why not love every job? Become humble. And she had done the most dirty jobs in front of all of us. Okay. Make a firm decision. Whatever happens, I will be happy. I will be strong. God is always with me. Okay. What happens, I will be happy. Say yes to everything. I will be strong. You don't get challenges that are stronger, worse or less than your power that you have inside of yourself. It's just a challenge. God is always with me. Until you have abundant God, nothing is lost. That is coming from Donald Ray. Instead of I love you, it would be better to say I am love, I am the embodiment of pure love. Love is something that we receive. And then then there's love, and we receive the love. We can become the love. But there is no I and you in love. And if you have this, if you really want to see your girlfriend or boyfriend, and if you have a journey, this is coming with a love. But in that morning, in this time, this is just the journey. This is not the love. But this is the side effects of love. I don't say that this is wrong. But if you sit together and just feel that love between both of you, then this is a real love. And the samadhi or satori is just you are in love with the whole existence, with everything. Everything is so beautiful. There's no end. That is a samadhi. Remove that I and you will find that there is only love. It is as if love is imprisoned between the I and you. Remove the I and you, for they are unreal. They are self-imposed walls that don't exist. This I and you is just an ego. Get rid of that. Just be open and be that love. You don't have to make more. You feel that love, and this I and you will be not there if you really feel that love. If you have strong love, then there is no I in you. And you just feel that love, and that is good enough. And don't let your ego be involved. The journey is also necessary, but when you are present, let the ego. The gulf between I and you is the ego. When the ego is removed, the distance disappears and the I and you also disappear. They merge to become one, and that is love. Learn to be thankful to everyone, to the entire creation, even to your enemy and also to those who insult, because they all help you to grow. Hard to do, no? Once you learn the art of relaxation, everything happens spontaneously and effortlessly. We still want something to gain, and I've seen it here with many things. Then we get very fast identified, and if we are identified, then there is no relaxation. If we have passion in us, then there is no relaxation. But they are also necessary to get the things done. You get this passion, you want to become eager to do this, then just try to relax, and then you become the most effective. You go with your passion, but relax. Then you have the drive, and with relaxation you have all the ideas and the best things are coming to you. It's just so. It's nothing wrong with your passions. Nothing. Okay? Or with my passion. Then I just started, then I try to relax. But I say I have time enough, I don't have to do it now, and so on. Have the conviction that God is your real relative and friend. Yes. Connect to the divine as fast as possible. And the worst time are the best times for that. Good times, it rather will not happen. The change will only happen outside once we change within ourselves, for sure. You get it when you have changed inside. Don't be discouraged by your incapacity to dispel darkness from the world. Light your little candle and step forward. We cannot change the world, but we can go forward. And for this we have all the time enough light. But we can not brighten up the world for people who cannot see. Okay. You can guide a guy, or you can give advice, and he can take it and do it. This is his free decision. You don't force him. You have given the advice that is good enough. And if you can't see it, his problem, not your problem. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.